This video will provide an overview of the Government of Alberta's Crowdfunding Alberta program. By the end of this video, you'll understand what crowdfunding is and how it can help your organization fundraise, and general information about the Crowdfunding Alberta program, including its outcomes, eligibility requirements to participate in the program, the criteria to earn matching funds, the approval process for campaigns and matching funds and the associated timelines, and government recognition of matching funds. Crowdfunding is the act of raising small amounts of money from a large number of people in support of a defined project or initiative. It leverages storytelling to teach and excite audiences into action. Crowdfunding is a dynamic tool that harnesses the power of social networks and the internet to help your organization tell its story to donors outside of your typical network, and tell it quickly as your campaign is shared across social media. Crowdfunding invites donors to become champions of your cause and brings them along on your fundraising journey. In this way, crowdfunding can create a new community or crowd of lifelong supporters of your organization. When others come across your campaign because it's been shared by their friend online, they're 4 times more likely to pay attention and help. Crowdfunding Alberta is government's crowdfunding program made exclusively for Alberta-based nonprofits and charities. The program entices donors to find nonprofit organizations and initiatives to support, and it connects Alberta's nonprofit organizations with a network of supporters that goes beyond their geographical borders. All participating organizations and campaigns are vetted prior to approval, ensuring donors can be confident that they are supporting legitimate causes in Alberta's communities. In addition to helping donors make safe donations, Crowdfunding Alberta also offers matching funds to help those donations go farther. Matching funds are proven to not only encourage people to give, but to give more generously. It also enables government to provide a small grant alternative for organizations that can be dispersed faster, used more broadly, and streamlines the application process typically involved in other grant programs, so that organizations can focus more time and resources on delivering the programs and services that strengthen our communities. Crowdfunding Alberta strives to help organizations increase their ability to adapt and respond to organizational and community issues through access to timely revenue, and increase their social fundraising capacity through access to free webinars and mentorship. To participate in Crowdfunding Alberta, organizations must operate in Alberta, have up-to-date accounting and reporting related to any grant previously awarded by the Ministry of Arts, Culture and Status of Women or the Alberta Foundation for the Arts. They must be registered for a period of 1 year and in active standing under one of these acts listed on the screen under provincial or federal legislation. Through Crowdfunding Alberta, the Government of Alberta provides organizations with up to $5,000 in matching funds per year. This is based on government's fiscal year, which runs April 1st to March 31st. Matching funds can be earned over multiple campaigns in a fiscal year. For example, if the ABC organization launches its first campaign in June and raises $3,500, it may receive half of that total, $1,750, in matching funds. This leaves $3,250 in matching funds still available for the ABC organization to unlock before March 31st over additional campaigns. If the ABC organization launches another campaign in September that earns $8,460, it will receive the remaining $3,250 in matching funds available to them. While this is less than 50% of the funds raised in the second campaign, the combined total of matching funds earned over those 2 campaigns maxes out the $5,000 available to the ABC organization in matching funds that year. The ABC organization will be eligible to receive another $5,000 in the preceding fiscal year for campaigns that meet the eligibility criteria. To unlock government matching funds, a campaign must meet the following eligibility criteria. First, the campaign must raise at least $2,000 within 8 weeks of campaign approval. This timeline begins as soon as the campaign is approved by Crowdfunding Alberta staff. You will receive an automated email notifying you that your campaign has been approved and is now live on the platform. The $2,000 minimum must be raised from 5 unique donors with donations made through the online campaign. Offline or in-person donations do not qualify. Campaigns must also be for programs or services that benefit community. And finally, the campaign must support organizational expenses expected within the following 18 months in one of the following areas: operating, capital and equipment, programming, staff training, wages and benefits, or research and development. Program staff will review applications within 3 business days of receipt. However, incomplete applications may take longer. Staff will reach out to organizations as needed and offer support to make any changes required. Again, once the application is approved, your organization will be notified by email, and the 8-week timeframe to fundraise for matching funds begins. Campaigns are continually reviewed for matching funds eligibility. No additional application is required by an organization. If your campaign meets the criteria to receive matching funds, your organization will be notified by email that the decision process has begun. If approved, your organization will again be notified by email that is receiving government matching funds. Matching funds are issued by electronic funds transfer if the appropriate information was provided as part of your application submission. If not, a check will be issued to your organization. Once approved for matching funds, a Government of Alberta recognition banner will be automatically applied to your campaign. In addition, your campaign will be featured on the Success Stories page on crowdfunding.alberta.ca, along with other successful campaigns, to act as a model of success for other organizations launching a crowdfunding campaign. If you have any questions about getting started with Crowdfunding Alberta, please connect with us by email at crowdfundingalberta@gov.ab.ca. Thank you.